Hey guys, it's Nick Campbell at Pete's RV Center in South Windsor, Connecticut here. We have some very exciting news here. We're gonna hit the road and do a special campground show at Bayley's Camping Resort in Scarborough, Maine. That's not this weekend, but it's the weekend of the 28th, 29th, and 30th. Last weekend in June, we're gonna have multiple units set up on site at Bayley's, opened up, ready to be viewed. It's a really fun event. So if you're camping at Bayley's Campground that weekend, please come on by. We'd love to show you some new RVs and get to know our current customers that we have at the campground. So it's a special roadshow featuring a bunch of Jayco units. It's Bayley's Camping Resort, Scarborough, Maine. So if you guys are in the area camping at Bayley's, we'd love to have you stop by and take a look at our units. It's gonna be a real fun weekend, and Pete's RV Center of Connecticut will be there ready to hang out with you guys. Thanks.